Welcome to our channel. If you want to master portion control and manage your eating without feeling deprived, follow these practical steps. Step 1. Use smaller plates and bowls, typically 9 inches for dinner plates, to naturally reduce portion sizes without feeling like you're eating less. Step 2. Fill half your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with whole grains to balance nutrients and control calories. Step 3. Measure your food portions for a week using measuring cups and a food scale to learn what appropriate serving sizes look like. Step 4. Eat slowly and mindfully, taking at least 20 minutes per meal to allow your brain time to register fullness signals. Step 5. Drink a glass of water before meals and throughout your meal to help you feel fuller with less food. Step 6. Pre-portion snacks into individual servings instead of eating directly from large packages. Step 7. Learn to recognize hunger and fullness cues by rating your hunger on a scale before and during meals. Step 8. Avoid eating while distracted by TV or screens, as this leads to mindless overeating and poor portion awareness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.